All right, today we got the CVA Scout 300 Blackout. And we're going to be looking at the Hornady Subsonic 190 grain Sub X and this target suppressor open tip range from Winchester. Super suppressed. It has a very interesting tip on it. And this is mainly going to be a hunting rifle. So I'm curious to see what these two different rounds do on some water jugs. We've got 7 jugs in a row, 4 on either side in case it tries to pop out the side. We're going to take a shot with a Winchester and see what happens. Assuming this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. This one looks untouched. This one has, the projectile is in this one. All right, you can see there that it did in fact open up. Very cool. So it ended up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jugs. This one here, it sliced this one here. Let's reset and try the Hornady. We've got 4 in a row with 2 on either side. The Hornady is a expanding hollow point. Well, it's supposed to. So I don't think it'll go through 4, but it may try to pop out the side. Hang tight. We're going to shoot that with the Hornady 190 grain Subsonic. Well, as you saw there, there's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Looks like it just kept on going. I'm going to take a few minutes to see if I can find it. Hold on. Well, I wasn't able to find it. So what we're going to do is we got 4 jugs left. I'm going to take one more with a Hornady, 50 yards. And we have a steel plate. Hopefully it slows down enough that the steel plate doesn't completely mangle the round, but I'd like to see what the Hornady looks like after going through the jugs. So if the jugs slow it down just enough, maybe we'll capture an unmolested round. We got 4 jugs. This one here, there's nothing in it. It came out, it went in here and came out the side, and I was looking over here and I found it. What a mangled mess. Now I'm sure some of that was from the steel plate. All right, there you go, guys. Winchester super suppressed target and suppressor open tip range Subsonic 200 grain. You can see what happened to that round on however many jugs of water. I can't remember now. And here's the Hornady Subsonic 190 grain. We did have to use a steel plate after 4 jugs, but you can see what happened to the round there. This round here has a supersonic crack out of my gun. Again, I'll list the speeds for the 2 different rounds right now. I need the gun to be quiet. I want, if I paid for a suppressor, I paid for, the ammo to be quiet. Subsonic, 16-inch barrel. There's no action for the round to have to move. So I'm getting all of the velocity of the round. So I really don't fault Hornady. The one thing that did kind of irritate me was on the website, it listed this round as a 16-inch test barrel, and that it was in fact subsonic, and that is not true. I believe it was listed at like 1060. And but yeah, I think that if I go coyote hunting in the near future, I'm going to be trying this round, and we'll see how it works. This round here, I will keep maybe on warmer days. The round will not be supersonic. That's a future test, but for right now, this stuff is available. It's cheap, and it does expand at least at 50 yards on water. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Hit the subscribe. Leave a comment. What do you use for 300 Blackout? Have you had experience with 300 Blackout hunting coyotes, raccoons, skunks, varmints? And did it work? Did you move on to something else? Let me know in the comments. We'll catch you later.